Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be my weekly cleaning routine. I'm going to show you guys all of the areas of my home that I really try and clean on a weekly basis so that my house does not become a complete mess. Today we are actually supposed to be getting a huge snowstorm, so it's literally the perfect time to clean because I think we might even be in a state of emergency, so we can't really go anywhere. So yeah, that's what really I'm going to be doing all day today. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it's motivating to you. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit the red subscribe button down below, and let's jump right into it.
In the crowd, I never thought that I would see you tonight. We lock eyes and you smile. Every single memory comes back to life. Your lips press against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was love, bet that you felt the same. Standing here, I need to let you know, what if I had never let you go? Standing here, I need to let you know that I need you tonight. You should know that I miss you. So we talk about the past for a moment. I forget why we never lasted. With your hand on my knee, every single feeling comes back to me. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. That kind of love is not easy to find, babe. I haven't felt that since you went away. the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind. Baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. The way you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I